Jai Hind students, hello. Today we are going to learn how to fill the OMR sheet of class 10 CBSE. Okay, in this sheet, if you see here, there's a column of subject. So you have to mention the subject. Suppose my exam is science exam, so I have to fill this in the block letters. You have to fill like SCIENCE. In a capital letter, you have to fill this. Now there's a column of subject code. If you see, then a admit card, there's a column of subject code here that is 086. So you have to fill 086 here. Now there's a column of date and examination. So on which date your exam will happen. So you have to mention the date and date. Like my exam day is on Monday. So I have to fill here Monday in block letters. Along with the date of examination, there's a date like 4/3/26. Okay, medium of answering the exam is English. So student, in the question paper, there's a column of question paper code. So there's a column of code number in OMR sheet. So you have to fill this code number. That is 31/1/1. Okay. Then after that, above the question code, there's a column of set number. Set first. If you have a set first, then you have to fill this set first. If you have set second, then you have to fill here set second. Okay. Now, number of supplementary columns. If you take the supplementary copy, then you fill this column, otherwise no need. And after that, person with benchmark disability, you have to fill no. Code of disability, that is not applicable. So it is mentioned as N/A. After that, there's a column of whether you provide writer or not. So no. If you have no writer needed, then no mention here. And then it is a visually challenged, it is used for a visually challenged person. So it is also mentioned as not applicable. Okay. Okay, so student, there's a column of candidate names in capital letter. It is clearly mentioned that it is capital letter. Okay, so you have to mention your name or write your name in a capital letter. Like my name is Rahul Thakur. So I mentioned here RAHUL in capital and give us some space, like one blank space, that is Rahul Thakur. THAKUR. So if you observe here, I give a space after the name and surname. Okay, so there's a column of roll number. So if you see your admit card, there's a mention of roll number, that is 1113926. So you have to fill it here like 1113926. Okay, you will have to also draw the circle here. Like my name is Rahul, so I select here R. Okay, then after that A, then H, U, and after that L, and a space is here in between the surname and name. So after this, when my start name is Thakur, so I have to select this T, H, A, K, U, and last one is R. Okay, so in the roll number column, you also have to draw the circle. Okay, there's a column of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to fill according to your roll number. Like there's a mentioning like 1, so you have to draw a circle 1. If you observe here, there's mention of 3, that is you have to draw a circle 3 number. Then after that, there's 9 number, so you have to draw a number 9. Then after that, 2, 6, and 6. Okay, so in my OMR sheet, if you observe here, that is the column of subject code here. So if you observe in the admit card section, there's a science examination, the subject code is 086. So we have to fill 086 as a subject code. 086. So if you observe here in the circle, there are column of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0 also mentioned. So I have to draw 0 here. Then after that 8 and then 6. After this, there's a column of center number. So at the top of your admit card section, you observe that there's a center number at the corner. That is 1137. So 113754. Okay. So I have to draw this also. 1 1 3 7 5 and after that 4. After that, there's a column of subject here. So in my OMR sheet, I have to fill science in a block letter again, SCIENC in capital letter. After that is school number as per the admit card. If you see, there's also a school number mentioned here, that is 12062. So I have to mention here 12062. Okay. After that, there's a column of roll number in words. So you have to see and check your roll number. That is 1,11,39,260 only. So I have to mention here in words. Like the crore is already mentioned here. So I have to fill only 1. After that 11 lakh. 1000 is already mentioned here. So I have to fill only 39. 39. And after that, if you observe here, 266 only. 266 only. 266 only. So whatever you are writing, you have to check your admit card. Then after that, you have to fill here. Okay, the name of father, that is your father's name. If you check here, whatever the name mentioned on your admit card, you have to fill this. Like Gulabchand is here, so you have to mention Gulabchand in a capital letter. Gulabchand. Okay, at last, there's a column of signature of candidate. So you have to sign your signature like this. My name is Rahul, so I am mentioning here Rahul. Okay. There's a column of signature of assistant superintendent, so you don't need to do anything after this. At the end, आपको मैं एक सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप जब भी क्वेश्चन पेपर अटेम्प्ट करने जा रहे हैं तो आपको सेक्शन वाइज अटेम्प्ट करना है, क्योंकि एज पर द CBSE इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन्ड. अगर आप जैसे मान लीजिए कोई बच्चा है सेक्शन C अटेम्प्ट कर रहा है सबसे पहले, ठीक है, लाइक मैं अटेम्प्ट कर रहा हूँ फिजिक्स, तो सेक्शन C के जितने भी क्वेश्चन है वो आपको एक साथ अटेम्प्ट करने होंगे. मतलब यू डोंट नीड टू स्किप एंड स्टार्ट द सेक्शन A. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं बन रहा है तो आपको पेज को वहां पर वैकेंट छोड़ना पड़ेगा और उसको बाद में जाकर कंप्लीट करेंगे, ठीक है, ताकि आपको टाइम भी सेव हो पाए. जैसे बाद में आपको लगता है कि मेरे को बाद में लिखना है तो आप लिख सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ना सेक्शन वाइज मैनर. लाइक इफ यू स्टार्ट सेक्शन A, देन you have to answer all the section A, then after that section B and section C. It is easier for examiner to complete it. Okay, thank you. Best of luck everyone for the examination.